Good morning, good afternoon, and we're just going to go ahead and do a bit of a breakdown and see what we could expect today or this week. Okay, and by the way, it's a new month, so we do have a lot of stuff happening this week, obviously, for the fact that it's the first week of the month. Okay, so let's just go ahead and start off. So I haven't traded, but we can start off with GBP JPY. We took a trade on GBP JPY Friday, and it was just a funny one because the price actually later pushed back to a direction, but it was just in there. So let's start off. So GBP JPY, we can just go ahead and know. So the trend is to the upside. We can all see that we have a very good clear trend, so we should be looking out for buying opportunities, not so. So let me just go ahead and draw out some of my levels, so we can have this as the most recent high, and then we can also have this as a most recent low, right? So at this point we need to now see what the price is doing in here. So obviously what we should expect at first hand is the price to push up here, even break through, right, come back for a retest, and then continuously push to the upside, because we can see that the trend is to the upside and the price has actually been continuously pushing to the upside. So let me just go back to H4 and show you guys. So at this moment we can just deal with this section of the price. Okay, you guys get that? Now let's just scale down to H1. So let's just scale down now to H1 and see. All right, perfect. So on H1, this is how we are looking. Now you guys understand that we should always expect a push phase, a bit of an exhaustion phase, a push phase, an exhaustion phase, and then a push phase, right? That's what you're expecting. So at the moment we can see the price is already in a push phase. Not too much. It isn't that stronger yet because this is the most recent level that we can see. So obviously we have a pullback, and then the price has to push to the upside. So we can just scale down quick. Let me see. Okay, right. Okay. So this is how we are looking, right? Now let me just scale down to M15 and see if we M15 pretty good. So M15 even looks better for our entries. Okay, so let me just draw just a minor level here. These are just there to really show us what to do. So at the moment really we are actually good for entries, so I'm going to be going in for buy entries. I see it's 12:38, pretty good. We have the London session just open, so we shall go in for buys, have a take profit up to this level, then a stop loss over here. Okay, so this is a very good trade. So you can go ahead get that trade in by the time I send this setup. Our stop loss is going to be around 190.079, then our take profit will be around 191.219. Okay, so that's it for GBP JPY. So we shall just go ahead and have our buy entries. Pretty good. Okay, so maybe you can just give it a look, say on Euro JPY. Euro JPY should have a similar setup as GBP JPY. We'd also be looking out for buying entries if we can. Pretty good, yeah. So also Euro JPY rather, we also have a level here. We can see the trend is clearly to the upside, and there's a most recent low. In here we can now just deal with this section of the price. Should expect the price to actually push up to here, which is good. Maybe a quick one. Let me see if we do have any news events today real quick. Let's see. So we can just come over here to tools, economic calendar. Okay, so today we do have the news later on today at 5 on the dollar, so we could be safer. So we're also going to be looking out for buying entries on Euro JPY. Okay, so basically that's it, and let's have a very great trading day, guys. It's about time to really go hard. Remember, by the way, I'm doing a giveaway this month, so if you haven't opened up a trading account, I'm going to attach the link around this video or this breakdown. Open up a trading account and sure, let's go. So see you guys in a minute. I'll keep you posted. I'm going to get this entry in. I also share this setup off with my VIP and obviously the student community, and let's go.